Welcome. If you're looking to add a new admin to your Telegram group, you're in the right place. Managing a group is much easier when you have trusted people to help out. Here's the updated step-by-step guide to making someone an admin in your Telegram group. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head over to the group chat where you want to add a new admin. You'll find all your group conversations in the main chat list. Tap on the group to open it. At the top of the group chat, you'll see the group picture or name. Tap on it to access the group's profile and settings. This will bring up all the important details about your group. Now, look for the edit icon. It usually looks like a small pencil in the top corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to enter the editing menu for your group. From the menu, find and tap on Administrators. This section shows you everyone who currently helps manage the group. To add someone new, tap on Add Admin. You'll see a list of group members. Scroll through and select the contact you want to promote to admin. Once you've chosen the right person, you'll have the option to customize their admin permissions. Decide what responsibilities and powers they should have, like managing messages, inviting new members, or even adding other admins. You can also assign a custom title if you want, such as moderator or manager. After you've set everything the way you want, confirm your choices. Usually, there's a check mark or done button in the top corner. Tap it to save your changes. That's it. Your selected contact is now an admin and will appear in the group's administrator list. With these simple steps, you can keep your Telegram group running smoothly and securely by sharing responsibilities with trusted members. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group owners who might need a hand. Happy chatting!